Hey guys, Micah here with Electrek, and today I'm reviewing the Lectric XP from Lectric Bikes. This is probably the most affordable way to hit 28 miles per hour on an electric bicycle. Let's check it out. I've had the pleasure of riding around on the pre-production prototype for the Lectric XP here, and have found it to be one hell of a ride considering the budget level price of just $899. The 500 watt motor, which is actually pushing 800 watts of peak power, makes the bike nice and torquey. The 48 volt and 10.4 amp hour battery gives you around 500 watt hours of capacity, which is quite respectable for this price point. The only area the bike hasn't quite lived up to its specs is the speed. It's rated for 28 miles per hour or 45 kilometers per hour, but the prototype I've been testing comes up a tad short at around 25 miles per hour or 40 kilometers per hour. That's still pretty fast, but Lectric Bikes tells me that the prototype doesn't have the final loadout that will push the speed all the way up to the max allowed for Class 3 e-bikes. So I'm excited to test the full production version soon enough and hit that 28 mile per hour top speed. In terms of ride quality, the Lectric XP is about as good as it gets for a non-suspension bike. That's to say, it's comfortable on most terrain, except for the most bumpy. But on the street, you'll never even notice the rigid frame and fork, since the fat tires absorb all the bumps very nicely. And even if you want to get technical and start hopping curbs, the fat tire saves the day again and makes the bike surprisingly functional even without true suspension. One small advantage of not having suspension is that the bike doesn't weigh quite as much. It's still hefty at 59 pounds, but when you fold it up and compress that weight into a small package, it's still pretty manageable. The bike parts on the Lectric XP are what I would describe as decent, but nothing that's going to blow you away. But again, we're talking $899 here as the pre-sale price. I don't think anyone was expecting top shelf shifters or brakes. While the Lectric XP might not be the fanciest e-bike out there, it has some great value. I'm not sure of a single Class 3 e-bike, i.e. a high-speed e-bike, that has a lower price than this one, and so it could be a great option for those that want to enjoy a fast, fun, and adventurous folding e-bike but can't afford a $1,500 price tag. At less than $900, the Lectric XP seems to be on its way to success, and I look forward to getting more testing on the production version soon to verify all the claims and make sure this bike continues to deliver on its promises. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed that review. If you did, why don't you consider giving it a thumbs up? And don't forget to subscribe to Electrek so you can check out all of our electric vehicle videos right here on YouTube. See you next time, everyone.